Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, I would love to welcome you to the channel and invite you to return as a family member. I just retired and bought a house in Central Florida, and I've been so hard at work inside, unpacking and settling in. But honey, the outside front yard was looking a hot mess, and I had to address it. So I hired Mindy from All the Way Lawn Care, who services most of the homes in the area beautifully. I couldn't have my yard looking like one of the worst in the neighborhood, honey. So she and Carlos jumped right into action, trimming, tearing out those old dead hedges, addressing those beautiful palm trees that needed some attention, and doing all the things to clean up the yard and make it beautiful again. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and get some yard work inspiration as the team works their magic. And I'll meet you in a little bit. Honey, this old hedge was so stubborn. They fought at it, they dug, they shoveled, they did everything to try to get that out. And finally, they had to just take some clippers and cut it out. And I hope it doesn't come back. Honestly, sometimes I can be so absent-minded and I forget to shoot before footage. So this footage is from the day that we came to see the house. Now hang on to your hat, baby, because Carlos and Mindy from All the Way Lawn Care did their thing, and here it is. I hope today's video gave you inspiration to get out there and tackle some jobs in your yard. And if you're not able, hire someone like I did. Honey, I couldn't have done all of that myself. So thank you so much for watching. I hope today's video gave you inspiration. Let me know what you think in those comments, because you know I love hearing from you and getting your feedback. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Honey, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.